Pretty cool. Does the trick. All right, I got the Diode LED candles 9-pack set. I had to put the old blackout screen up so we could get a test on these, and I'm also going to do a nighttime test. I'm going to put these in my windowsill and I'll take a shot from outside at night and see what they look like. Let's open this up and get a look at what we get here. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. There's a set of instructions in here for you, but I'm pretty sure these are pretty simple enough to figure out. It comes with 2 remote controls. Let's get one of these out of the package. Got a little tab in here that you pull. Once you release that tab, triggers the battery so the battery can be used. It's basically a protector that goes in there to prevent the battery from dying during travel. It uses a CR2025 battery, pretty common battery, can be found anywhere. Hardware store, anywhere you want. Drugstore. So let's see what we get. So we get 9 sticks in here. There's 9 of them. Nice packaged in styrofoam. 9 gold holders on here. Look pretty nice. There's a little contact point inside of there. Now each of these candles just sits in there like that. So the way these work is this bottom unscrews, and you put 3 AAA batteries in here. The light is inside of this plastic piece, so you don't have to worry about it getting hit or if it falls over or anything. The light's actually inside of here. So let's get a couple of these set up real quick. Pretty simple. Put 3 batteries in there. Screw this guy back on. Put one of the bases on, and you're good to go. I'm going to do 3 of them, so I can do 3 of them for my nighttime window shot. So when you put the batteries in, the light automatically comes on, so you're going to want to have the remote control handy so you can turn it off. Another thing about this remote control is it has a timer on there. So you can set it for 4 hours or 6 hours, and you can actually, once you turn these lights on, you can do all kinds of stuff. You can turn them up, you can dim them down if you like. It's got a couple different settings on there. It looks like a flicker setting, slow flicker, faster flicker. It's got 4 different modes on there. Look at that. It looks like simulates actual flame going on. That is neat. And just regular straight up light. Feels like it's made out of a pretty sturdy plastic. The base itself feels to be plastic, but sturdy. Looks like a real candle. From a distance, it's definitely going to look like a real candle, especially when you get the flickering action going. All right, it's a little dusky out. It's dark in here. Let's see what these look like from the inside. I've got the remote control. Turn them on, dim them down if we want, and brighten them back up. Do a little pulsing action. Straight light, another type of pulse, flickering pulse. Let's leave that on, and let's go outside and see what it looks like from outside. Let's look up in the window, see what we got. There they are. Not bad. Looks like candles up there, flaming around. It's raining, but yeah. Pretty cool. Does the trick. So if you're looking for a great flameless tapered candle set for Christmas, for holiday season, for dinner parties, whatever you're going to use them for, table decorations, all kinds of uses for this kind of stuff. Check out the Diode store, Flameless Taper Candles. Check it out.